east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southern Love County and southern Oklahoma until 8:15 p.m. At 7:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Gainesville, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Marietta and Thackerville. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County in north central Texas until 8:45 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lindsay or near Gainesville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail with 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Munster, Lindsay, Callisburg, Lake Kyle, and Valley View. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 483 and 503. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.